Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today we are going to discuss the 2009 paper. Yeah, I just need to guide you a bit. The rest, please complete this. This will be, I will consider this as one of your quiz. Yeah. If you don't send, then it's going to affect you. Okay. Just to show you a bit on how to do it. Okay, so that you can proceed with the work. I have seen that only 11 students sent. The rest, I don't know where did they go. Okay, so today, can you pay attention to this? Okay, so when you get the question paper, look through the question paper here, okay? And I am using our friends, how to say, work that they have sent as a reference here, okay? So I'm going to show you how to do the main table first, okay? The rest you can do yourself. The rest, if you can construct the main table, the rest won't be any problem, okay? So as you can see here, we are talking about your father, okay? Wants to go to, where does he wants to go? For a holiday, okay? How many days? How many days the holiday? Okay, listen. You don't have okay, so how many are going for the holiday? 4 days. No, 4 people are going for how many days and how many nights? Okay, what is your father's budget? So what does your father wants to know? Which country is the most affordable for your family? So below are the relevant information here. Okay, so all these are all per head, per night. So what you have to do, you have to budget according to what the note is written here. So hotel room per rate, you have to times how many? How many? 8. Hotel room per rate. How can 6? 3. Why? Because it's written here, budget for 3 nights. Expenditure, you have to times by 4. Okay. When you do, first thing first is, before this, I saw some students, we write HKD, SG, Thai baht, all this inside here. No need. No need. What you need to have is just RM here. Okay. I want to know in RM. The question was asking for RM. Okay. So, you return FF. Okay. So, you copy the you construct the table according to this. Okay, return fare is how much per head, Singapore is how much, blah 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 is how much, everything is how much. Okay, just go there, return fare. So let's not do this yet. What you have to do is type everything all in its own currency. RM will come at last. Okay, like this. Okay, so Ashwa wrote return FF per head 2,380. Okay, so she just transfer all these. Okay, like this. Okay, hotel room per rate. This one, as you see this, like I said, the question give only per night, but you have to count for 3 nights. So what you do is, what do? You times by 3. Expenditure, you have to times by how many? 4. Okay. Entrance fees? Entrance fees for 7 attraction, you don't have to times by 7. These are all for 7th attraction already. So you just put the original number. Okay. Are you watching what? Okay. So you total up everything here. Total up everything. Okay. Sum. Summarize all. Let's do this. Sum. So now you get the total in its own currency. Okay. This is total. Total of everything. And then in its own currency, yeah. So now you have to find total of all of these in RM. Okay, in RM per person. Okay, per person. Okay. So when you get per person, how many people you have to count for? 4. So what do you do here? The total for person, okay, this one, the total for one person, you have to times by 4. Then you will get the answer. This is the final answer. Here, how do you go to this number? How did you get this number? This, you see this? You use the formula which has been given here. Okay, Hong Kong dollar, RM 1 ringgit. Okay, change to RM per head divide by 2. So we have here, these are the per head. You have to divide by 2. So this is the total per head, yeah. Okay, so you have to divide by 2. So it's equal to this F3 divide by 2. This one F4 times 2.27 for Singapore. So the formula are all given to you already. Okay, so what you have to do, times whatever that you have to times per night, times whatever that you have to times per day, total up in its own currency. Okay, these are the total for one person. Okay, okay, for one person, and then change it to currency, and then you times by 4. Okay, so this is the answer. Which one is affordable for your father? Which country is affordable for your father? Huh? Thailand. Thailand is below 7,000. So that's it. Okay. So once you are done with this, you can go through with other questions where you have to change the data in testing and formula and chart. Okay. So if you are doing formula, sometimes you have problem, right? Screenshot the formula and send it along with your answer in Edmodo. Understand? Okay. So that's all. Please complete this. Those who haven't complete, those who are at home, please complete this work also. Okay, Habibah, check if you do any mistake, resend. Okay, am I clear so far? Clear? Okay, so that's all. I'm going to leave Habibah and Qayyum. You can leave, complete the work and send. Yeah. Okay. So the rest here, I'm going to look at the students here. Any question, please ask in the group. Okay. Thank you very much. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Don't forget to help your mom at home.